Welcome to Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia, the world's largest mirror. Here, the vast white salt flats stretch endlessly under the sky, creating a dreamlike landscape. After the rain, the Earth transforms into a stunning mirror, reflecting the heavens and turning the horizon into an illusion where the sky meets the ground. Walking here feels like stepping into another world, where beauty and tranquility merge in a breathtaking spectacle. Discover the surreal magic of Salar de Uyuni, a place where nature truly defies reality.